Good day, viewers. Now we're going to the next set of 5 questions. Before we go into that, please, if you're watching us on YouTube, support us by subscribing to our channel. If you're watching us on Facebook, please share our link to as many students out there as there are. Thank you. Now, number 11, we have this on the board. We have to solve this equation. Okay? This is what we have here. I call this equation 1 and this equation 2. To solve this, I start with equation 2. From equation 2, I can have n equals 7 minus m. Right? Let me call this 3. So my n is what? 7 minus m. I substitute into equation 1, and then I have equation 1 to be terms of m only. So substitute 3 in equation 1. I have m squared plus n squared equals 29. That's equation 1. When I substitute n, I'm going to have m squared plus n is what? 7 minus m. This is n. Remember, n is square here at the square equals 29. I have terms of m only. Okay. Next, I expand this bracket. I'm going to have m squared plus 7 squared is 49, right? Minus m squared is what? Plus m squared, right? Then 2 times 7 times minus m, I'm going to have minus 14m. Okay, all equals what? 29. All right, then I collect like terms. I have m squared plus m squared gives me 2m squared. All right, minus 14m. 29 comes here. 49 minus 29, I'm going to have minus plus 20 equals what? 0. I have my quadratic equation. Then I solve this quadratic equation. Okay, now the leading term here has coefficient of 2, so I multiply with the constant term 20. I'm going to have, okay, 2m squared times 20 will give me 40m squared. So now I'm looking for two numbers, two terms, such that when I multiply, it will give me 40m squared, and when I add, it will give me minus 14m. So what two terms will you multiply to give you 40m squared and add to give you this? Minus 4 and minus 10. We're going to replace this minus 14m with minus 4m and minus 10m. This times this is this, plus is this. Okay, so replace the middle term with these two terms. We're going to have 2m squared, right, minus 10m minus 4m, then plus 20 equals 0. Then we factorize to get the value of m. We factorize this. What is common between these two terms? 2m is common. You have 2m, bracket open. When you factor out 2m from here, what do you have left? I have m. Factor out 2m from here, I have minus 5 left. Coming to these two terms, what is common? Minus 4 is common. I factor it out. Take it out from here, you have m left. From here, you have minus 5 left. Okay, equals 0. This implies that what? M minus 5, 2m minus 4 equals 0, right? So I have what now? M minus 5 equals 0, or 2m equals 4. Because 2m minus 4 equals 0, 4 goes there, becomes 4, right? 2m equals 4, right? And I have m equals 5 or m equals 2. M equals 5, 2. All right. Now, for each value of m, I'm going to get the corresponding value of n from this equation 3. Equation 3 says n equals 7 minus m. So let me clean this part of the board. So from equation 3, if m equals 5, our n is going to be what? 7 minus 5. 7 minus 5, and that will give us 2. So the first value of m, n is what? 5, 2. Similarly, if m equals 2, our n will be equals to what? 7 minus 2. 7 minus 2, which is what? 5. So the other value of mn is what? 2, 5. So the value of mn is this and this. 5, 2, 2, 5. Okay? Option B is our answer. Now number 12 on the board. It says the angles marked in the diagram above are measured in degrees. We should find x. This is a polygon. We know that the sum of exterior angles of a polygon is 360 degrees. We use that to obtain the value of x. Number 12, we are going to have x plus 2x plus x plus 5x plus 3x amounts sum up towards 360 degrees. So what will this give us? 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 1, 4, plus 5, 9, plus 3, 12. So we have 12x, right, equals what? 360 degrees. So our x now is what? 360 over what? 12. And our x will be equals to what? 12 into 36, 3 into 0, 0. We have 30 degrees. So our x is 30 degrees, and that will give us option what? D. Option D here is our what? Answer. Now we have question 13 to 15. 13 says if A ratio B equals 5 ratio 8, X ratio Y equals 25 ratio 16, evaluate this. We just need to obtain the values of A, X, B, Y, then substitute. Okay? So A over X ratio B over Y will be equals what? Our A is 5, our X is 25. We have 5 over 25 ratio. Our B is 8, our Y is 16. 8 ratio over 16. And this implies what? 5 over 25 divided by 8 ratio 16. Remember that ratio can be expressed as fraction. Okay? So we're going to have 5 over 25. Change the division sign to multiplication. Then you take the reciprocal of the next fraction. 16 over what? 8. Then you cancel out. Okay? We need to cancel out 8 here, 1. 8 here, 2. All right, so we'll have what? 5 times 2, 10 over 25 times 1, 25. And that leaves us with what? 2, 5 here, 2, 5 here, 5. We're left with what? 2 over 5, which is same as what? 2 ratio 5. And that will give us option A. So option A is our answer here. In number 14, we have to convert this to base 3. What we just need to do is to divide 28 by 3, and then we store the remainder by 3. 3 into 28, we have 9, 3 times 9, 27, remainder what? 1. 3 again, 3 into 9, 3 remainder 0. 3 into 3, 1 remainder 0. 3 into 1, 0 remainder 1. Then we read our answer from below upwards. Okay, and then we have 1001 base 3. This is given by option B. So our option B here, it gives our answer. Now we'll go to number 15. In number 15, we are to find the remainder when we divide this polynomial by this. So let's divide and see what to obtain as remainder. We have x cubed minus 2x squared plus 3x plus 3x minus 3. All right, we are to divide by what? X squared plus 1. Okay, so we divide x squared into x cubed. You have x, right? They use the x to multiply the expression. X times x squared, x cubed. X times plus x, we have plus. This is terms for x squared, which is missing, replaced with 0. We have our plus x here. All right, then we subtract. What do we have? This minus this cancels out, right? Minus this plus this, minus this gives us minus 2x squared. 3x minus x, we have minus plus 2x. All right, so x squared into minus 2x squared, we have minus 2. Minus 2 times x squared minus 2x squared. Minus 2 times 1, we have minus 2. Here, terms of x is missing, we have 0 minus 2. Okay, so what do you have left? Hence we can bring down our minus 3 here. All right, so what do we have? We subtract, we have what? Minus 2x squared minus 2x squared plus 2x squared. Okay, this goes out, right? So 2x minus 0, we have 2x, minus 3 minus 2, that's minus 3 plus 2, gives us minus 1. This can x squared go into this? No. So this, we stop here, and this gives our remainder, and that is given by option D. So here option D is our. Thank you for staying with us. Please support us by subscribing to our channel and click on the notification button if you're watching via YouTube, so as to get notified as soon as we have a new video for you. Thank you for watching.